Hey there, my name is Adam Allure, and today I'm going to show you a very fundamental feature within Wavve Boating, which is auto routing. So, to access auto routing, all you have to do is hit the quick navigation button at the bottom right, that's the dark blue one, and you'll see this menu. Tap auto routing, and then you will see this screen. So the main thing here is you just need to set a origin and a destination, and Wavve will calculate a route for you based on the draft of your vessel and the current water level conditions. So, for example, I'm just going to tap on the map to set an origin, and I'm going to head down the waterway. Tap to set a destination. Then I'm going to tap calculate. And there, Wavve has calculated this route, 21.49 miles, with an estimated time to complete of just over 2 hours. Now, I can change that. This is based on a 10 mile per hour average speed, so you can adjust this. I'm going to be going a bit faster here, so let's say 27 miles per hour. There, my estimated time is just quickly updated. As well, I can get a fuel estimate for this particular route. And again, just tap the little arrow to the right of fuel estimate to update your fuel economy. So, say I'm going to have a bit better fuel economy than that, 4 miles per gallon. I've got an estimate now of 5.4 gallons to complete this particular route. That's the basics of it. Now, a couple neat little features here. So instead of tapping on the map to set my origin and destination, I'm just going to clear those out. You see the little arrow there just to the right of search or tap on map? If I hit that for either the origin or the destination, it will set it to my location. So just kind of really quick and easy. If you want to get going and it's right from where you are, just tap that and the origin or the destination will be set at your location. Secondly, instead of tapping on the map, you can tap the search text there and it will bring up the search menu. So then you can set your destination based on anything that you're particularly looking for. Maybe it's a marina or a local restaurant, and away you go. Last note, the auto routing will factor in a route not only for obstacle avoidance, but also following nautical channels. So you'll get a practical route that you'd expect to take on the waterway. Now, if you have any questions about that, please feel free to reach out to our team at community@wavveboating.com, and I hope that was helpful. Have a wonderful day.